Benefits and drawbacks of white kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, when it comes to installing new kitchen cabinets as part of a remodel or any other project, color scheme will be one of the most important factors to consider. This is especially true if you're considering white cabinets, which provide a unique and modern look but also may come with some risks you should be aware of before installing. In today's video, we'll review some of the traditional benefits of white cabinets in the kitchen, plus a few potential drawbacks or areas to assess before making your final choice. Benefits of white cabinets. White cabinets and similar lighter designs have numerous potential benefits in a kitchen space, from their aesthetic appeal to several others. Simplicity and trends. While white cabinets are among the simpler design formats out there, this is a huge positive for many people due to the way these shades remain trendy across the years. Many other color schemes go in and out of style every few years, meaning that the design you thought was trendy when you installed it a few years ago might already be yesterday's news. White cabinets, though, are known as timeless options that match up with any style, whether you're going with a more traditional or a modern look. Even industrial or country kitchen styles do just fine with white cabinets. Versatility. As we just noted, white cabinets complement a variety of kitchen styles and setups. They're great for large kitchen spaces, in particular. Reflectivity. Another major value added to white kitchen cabinets is the way they reflect light, especially natural light entering the kitchen. White cabinets are some of the best options here, helping broaden smaller spaces and making them feel larger in many cases. They're perfect in darker kitchens that don't get a ton of natural light, too. Drawbacks of white cabinets. Now, there are a few potential drawbacks or areas you at least want to be aware of before you install white cabinets. Overdoing it. If you're planning white cabinets, be sure certain other accents or pieces in the kitchen have darker colors to contrast them. Too much white can make a space feel cold, almost like a doctor's office in some ways. Get some warm hues and complementary colors on your countertops or other accessories to balance it out. Maintenance. It's also important to realize that white cabinets might require a bit more maintenance and cleaning than other colors. White tends to show smudges, spills and dirt a bit more easily, and scratches will also be easier to notice. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.